now that you've got your lovely interactive bubble tube, I'm going to show you how to use your remote control. The first thing that you need to know is the red button in the middle. This simply turns the colours on and off, on and off. The button to the left takes you through up to 15 modes. So we're just going to flick through different modes. Any of the flickering modes, you can control the speed. So just get us to a flickering mode, like that one. If we want to go faster, we push the top button. If we want to go slower, which I like it to be a little bit calmer, we press the bottom button and it'll flow through the colours slower. So the mode button, and when it's flickering, to go faster, top one, slower, the bottom. So the button to the right, this does several things. So the first thing is going to bring it to the white light. I think it's just reflecting the blue vinyl. So this brings it to this mode, and if you go to the top one, it'll make it brighter, or the bottom one, it'll make it duller. So it gives you lots of options. If you press this one more time, this is the fun bit, this gives you control of the touch colour wheel, which is quite nice, relaxing. Enjoy your bubble tube.